presentation. We are the students from Hohenlohe, an area in Germany. We go to a type of school called Agricultural Science Grammar School. This is why our topic contains so much about agriculture. We would like to introduce you to the environmental hazards of our home. First, we want to tell you something about polluted areas. Then we would like to show you the hazards connected to wind energy and biogas energy. And last but not least, we want to tell you something about flooding.
First, polluted areas. For over 100 years, hazardous substances like carbohydrate, oil and heavy metals have been emitted by the industry of our area. For example, by large companies like Wirth, EBM Papst, Burgert or Huber. Why did that happen? There was either lack of knowledge about sustainability or thinking of this polluted stuff. This affected parts of the soil, groundwater, surface waters and the flora and fauna. And is also a big hazard for people. Humans who live in these areas are more in danger to become ill. Furthermore, there are commercial problems as no one wants to live in such polluted areas, of course.
Then wind energy. We Germans really love our renewable energies. They give us a feeling of being environmentally friendly. But often we don't see that they might pose a threat to our environment. When a wind park is built, the landscape changes a lot. There are wind turbines, for example in towns of Schwäbisch Hall, Niedernhall, Erlenbach or Schöntal. There are huge towers which throw shadows. When there are lots of wind parks, more power grids have to be built, which throw shadows as well, so in the end there will be even more shadow. In addition to that, animals are endangered too. Birds have to change their flight patterns to be protected from bird strikes. There's also a big problem concerning wildlife conservation, for example animals like red kites or bats. Also people are annoyed because of wind parks. Wind turbines make lots of noises, so residents can hardly sleep, and there are also light reflections from the lights during the night.
Then biogas energy. Another renewable energy is a hazard for our environment, is biogas energy. Biogas is mostly methane, which produces 25% more greenhouse gases than CO2. Usually corn is used as fuel in biogas plants, but for this corn, fields where other plants for food production used to be grown were changed into cornfields because energy brings more money than food. This is a really sad fact, but it is a fact. Because biogas needs so much corn, farmers also grow corn only. This is called monoculture and is not good for the soil. For getting more fields, grassland has to be used as well. Besides, the groundwater can be polluted because the remains are used as slurry, which goes straight deeply into the soil.
Flooding. This year there was a big flood in Germany. Of course, this is not the fault of humans. Well, not directly. But there was lots of harm for people and for agriculture. Too much water destroyed all of our harvest on the fields, and this flooding also destroyed many houses of people, streets, and caused some really big economic harm.
So, thanks for listening. We hope we could show you some of our problems at home in Germany.